I have the honor to read a statement on behalf of a group of states including Australia, Denmark, Finland, Germany, Iceland, Ireland, Japan, the Netherlands, Norway, Sweden, the United Kingdom, and the United States. We share the concerns expressed by the High Commissioner for Human Rights in the OHCHR's February 16th press release highlighting China's ongoing problematic human rights record. We are concerned about China's deteriorating human rights record, notably the arrest and ongoing detention of rights activists, civil society leaders, and lawyers. In many cases, these individuals have not been granted access to legal counsel or allowed to visits by family members. These actions are in contravention of China's own laws and international commitments. We remain concerned about the unexplained recent disappearances and apparent coerced return of Chinese and foreign citizens from outside mainland China. These extraterritorial actions are unacceptable, out of step with the expectations of the international community, and a challenge to the rule-based international order. The actions involving individuals in Hong Kong represents a violation of the high degree of autonomy promised Hong Kong under the Basic Law. We also note with concern the increasing number of individuals whose confessions have been aired on state media prior to any indictment or judicial process. These actions run contrary to fair trial guarantees enshrined in China's laws and counter the rights and freedoms set out in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. We call on China to uphold its laws and international commitments, and we support the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights' call to release all rights activists, civil society leaders, and lawyers detained for peacefully exercising their freedom of expression or for lawfully practicing their profession. Thank you, Mr. President.